gift of chappals. The children have given the old chappals of music teacher to that beggar because they feel the pity on seeing that his feet are boiled in the hot road. वो जो गर्म सड़क में उसके पैर में छाले पड़ गए थे beggar के, ये देख करके क्या हो गया उन्हें, they got pity, they felt very pity for him, so they gave the chappals of the music master. Now what will happen? Glanced at the shabby looking but sturdy old. We have studied up to here. We go ahead. Slippers, said. Slippers, he beamed and nodded. These are just the right size, he said, picking them up. So the Mridu and Meena followed him nervously back into the garden. So slippers, he beamed means he bent, नीचे झुका, nodded means he gave his agreement. These are just the right size, और क्या कहा, ये right size के उसके पैर के लिए. He said, picking them up, उनको ऊपर उठा के उसने ऐसा कहा. Then the Mridu and Meena followed him. वो दोनों नर्वस होकर उसके पीछे पीछे चलने लगे. Into the garden. Here, said the Ravi to the beggar, dropping the slippers in front of the old man. तो उस old man के आगे रवि ने वो स्लीपर रखे, वो कहा, here are the slippers. Wear these and don't come back. Wear these chappals and don't come here again. This is the gift of chappals. This is the name of the title of this story. The beggar started at the slippers. The beggar stared at the slippers. उसने stare किया means he looked for a while on the slippers. Hurriedly flung his towel over his shoulders. अपना towel अपने shoulder में ऐसे flung फेंका. Threw. Pushed his feet into them. और अपने feet को he dragged his feet into the chappals and left means went away. So the muttering blessings to the children, or when he was going he was muttering means speaking in a low voice, धीरे धीरे अपने मुंह के अंदर वो क्या कर रहा था, muttering कर रहा था, whispering कर रहा था बच्चों को blessings के लिए, because they have given a pair of chappals to him. So in a minute he had vanished around the corner of the street. और एक मिनट में वो क्या हो गया, vanished means disappeared. The music master came out of the house and took an unappreciative look at the three of them sitting quietly under the tree playing marbles. Music master जब बाहर आए तो उनको unappreciative look. Unappreciative means the opposite of appreciate. Appreciate means to praise someone, to say good words to others is called appreciation. उसका opposite हो जाएगा unappreciative. उसके look में क्या था, उन्हें देख के बैठे हैं फालतू ऐसे देख रहा है जैसे. So he was not appreciating them by his look. उन तीनों को देखा उसने बैठा हुआ under the tree playing marbles. Then he searched for his chappals in the veranda where he had put them. फिर उसने अपने चप्पल को देखा. Here the word unappreciative means disapproving, means something that is again opposite of appreciate. Lali, he called after a few moments. थोड़ा देर देखने के बाद उसने कहा लली. She hurried up to him. वो जल्दी से बाहर आई. Have you seen my chappals, my dear? So he asked about his chappals. That I remember having kept them here, and I remember that I have taken off my chappals here at this right place. इस जो place है वहीं पे मैंने रखे थे. Ravi, Mridu and Meena silently watched Lali and the music master search every corner of the veranda. तो तीनों देख रहे हैं, and the music master is in search of his chappals. He scurried around, looking over the railing and crouching near the flower pots to look between them. So he went here and there to look his chappals, looking over the railing के ऊपर देखा. Crouching means bent down on the to see near the flower pots, look between the flower pots. Brand new they were. कहने लगा वो क्या थे, those slippers were brand new. and I went all the way to Mount Road to buy them. और मुझे I had to go to Mount Road is the name of place. उनको खरीदने के लिए all the way to Mount Road जाना पड़ा. He went on saying, they cost a whole month's fee, do you know? और जितना एक महीने की पूरी फी है, that much is the price was that much was the price of these chappals. Soon the Lali went in to tell her the mother. रुक्मणी appeared. तो रुक्मणी वहाँ पे आई, जैसी लली ने अपनी माँ को बताया. So she looking harassed with the parties following her. उसके पीछे पीछे पार्टी grandmother आई. They looked harassed. Harassed means something in courts we can say the humiliation, and they are fearful that their guest, the music teacher was like a guest, and his slippers were not there, or they have been stolen. They have been stolen. Where could they be? It is really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. कहने लगे where could they be, कहाँ गए होंगे slippers. It's really quite upsetting. ये बहुत upsetting है. Upsetting means disappointing है. To think someone might have stolen them. किसी ने stolen कर दिए, किसी ने चुरा लिए. This is very disappointing. So many vendors come to the door. Worried party. The grandmother worried expressed her anxiety कि जो ये डोर पे कई क्या आते हैं, vendors. Vendors क्या आते हैं? The people who sell the things door to door is called vendors. जो door to door जाके sell करते हैं, those people are called vendors. Rukmani caught sight of the Ravi, Mridu and Meena sitting under the tree. तभी रुक्मणी को तीनों बच्चे दिख गए. They were sitting under the tree. Have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quite went on more slowly. उसने कहा have you children, और तभी उसने देखा कि both the three are very curious, very quiet, and it seemed very strange to रुक्मणी. तो उसने फिर अपनी आवाज़ को क्वाइट और थोड़ा सा स्लोली बोलना शुरू किया. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? So have you seen anybody lurking? Lurking means waiting here, means looking for something. If somebody appear to a place to look something, to wait for something, it is called lurking. Seen anyone lurking around the veranda? A sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. और ऐसा कहते हुए रुक्मणी के दोनों आईब्रोज के बीच में क्या दिखी? V शेप की एक लाइन दिखी. V shaped line appeared on between both the eyebrows, and another straight tighter one appeared in place of her usual soft pleasant mouth. और जो उसका soft pleasant mouth का gesture था, it also turned, ये बदल गया किसमें? straight tighter one. उसका face जो mouth था वो भी straight और tough सा और थोड़ा सा tight सा हो गया, because she was having some doubts, she was not happy. So the Rukmani was angry, वो angry हो गई थी. Thought the Mridu with a shiver, ऐसा लगा मृदु को. And with a shiver means trembling with fear, वो थोड़ा सा कांपने लगी डर से. She wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sores on his feet. She tried to tell herself. फिर उसने सोचा, she tried to tell herself means she thought to herself that if we tell that all these things to Rukmani, that they have given those slippers to that beggar, that poor beggar who has got sores on his feet, so the Rukmani should not show such anger. So here you will have seen the meaning of lurking. Taking a deep breath, she cried. गहरी सांस लेके कहा कि रुक्मणी, there was a beggar here. एक beggar आया था. Poor thing, he was very poor, very miserable. He had such a boils on his feet, and he has got boils on his feet. उसके feet में क्या आ गए थे? छाले आ गए थे, boils आ गए थे. So said the Rukmani grimly, means seriously, turning to Ravi की तरफ मुड़ के, you gave the music master's chappal to that old beggar who turns up here. तो इसका मतलब you have given those chappals to that beggar who came here. Children these days, groaned द पटी, उसकी ग्रैंड मदर थी, उसने ग्रोनिंग की, उसको बड़बड़ाई, सी ममल्ड, ग्रोनिंग, विस्परिंग, ये सब ऑलमोस्ट सेम से वर्ड हैं आज के बच्चे इस तरह से, चिल्ड्रन दीज डेज. Amma, didn't you tell me about the Karna who gave away everything he had, even his gold earrings? He was so kind and generous. तो उसने कहा, अम्मा तुमने तो मुझे करण की कहानी सुनाई थी. You had told me about the Karan who gave away everything he had. उस करण ने क्या कर दिया था? कर्ण ने अपना सब कुछ दे दिया था, अपना कवच कुंडल दान में दे दिया था. और कहते हैं उसके मौत से पहले भी कृष्ण ने उसे पूछा था कि व्हाट कैन यू गिव टू मी. ही वेंट देयर इन डिस्गाइज्ड एज अ ब्राह्मण एंड ही begged something. So the Karan had given his golden tooth, his tooth made of gold to that Brahmin. Means he always ready to give the things. Donation देने के लिए हमेशा तैयार होता था. So gave everything he had, even his gold earrings. He was so kind and generous. वो इतना kind generous था, तुम्ही ने बताया था. Silly snapped रुक्मणी. तो रुक्मणी ने कहा silly, stupid, बीच में उसे रोकते हुए कहा. Karan did not give away other people's things, he only gave away his own. उसने कहा जो कर्ण didn't give away other people's things, दूसरे लोगों की चीजें नहीं दी थी, उसने तो अपना ही सामान दिया था. And you have given the slipper of other person and comparing yourself with the Karna. But my chappals wouldn't have fitted the beggar's feet. उसने कहा मेरे चप्पल्स उस beggar के feet में fit नहीं होते. So he rushed brassly on, and Amma, if they did fit, would you really not? और अगर फिट होते तो क्या नहीं देते. इस तरह से उसने जल्दी से कहा. रवि सेट द रुक्मणी वेरी एंग्री नाउ. रवि, रुक्मणी बहुत गुस्से में थी. उसने कहा रवि गो इनसाइड दिस मिनट, अभी अंदर जाओ. He hurried indoors and brought out Gopu Mama's hardly worn new chappals. वो अंदर गई रुक्मणी और गोपू मामा के जो चप्पल्स थे, हार्डली बोर्न मीन्स जो मुश्किल से उन्हें पहने थे, न्यू ब्रांड न्यू चप्पल्स थे. दिस शुड फिट यू सर. और उसने उन्हें टीचर्स को, म्यूजिक टीचर्स को देखे कहा सर दिस चप्पल्स शुड फिट टू यू. प्लीज पुट दिस ऑन, इनको पहने. आई एम सो सॉरी माई सन हैज़ बीन वेरी नॉटी. माई सन इज़ वेरी नॉटी. ही हैज़ गिवन योर स्लीपर्स टू द बेगर एंड आई beg pardon for it. The music master eyes lit up. Lit up means got started shining. उसकी आंखें चमकने लगी नई चप्पल देख के. He put them on, trying not to look too happy, but he kept on putting the slippers on. अपने चप्पल पहनता रहा. And he tried not to look too happy. और कोशिश की कि मैं ज़्यादा खुश भी ना दिखूं, otherwise they'll laugh at me or whatsoever. Well, I suppose these will have to do. तो कहने लगा ठीक है, इनसे काम चल जाएगा. These days children have no respect for elders. What to do? क्या करें आजकल के बच्चे? They don't show any respect to the elders. हनुमान इनकारनेट. ये इनकारनेशन किसके हैं? हनुमान के हैं. मीन्स एक हनुमान का रूप है इनका. मीन्स they always make mischiefs here and there. Only Rama can save such a naughty fellow. ऐसे naughty fellow से राम ही बचा सकता है. रुक्मणी's eyes flashed. उसकी आंखें चमकने लगी. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey, even a holy monkey. उसको पसंद नहीं था. She didn't seem to like Ravi being called a monkey. उसके रवि को मंकी कहे, चाहे वो होली मंकी क्यों नहीं है, उसको पसंद नहीं था. She stood stiff and straight by the front door. वो खड़ी होगी स्टिफ, एकदम कड़े पोस्चर को बना के, स्ट्रेट सीधे फ्रंट डोर में. इट वॉज क्लियर शी वॉन्टेड हिम टू लीव क्विकली. तो इसका सीधा इंडिकेशन था, वो चाहते थे वहाँ से सीधे चला जाए म्यूजिक टीचर. सो हियर क्लटर्ड ऑफ, यू विल फाइंड दिस वर्ड noisily. When he had clattered off in his new chappals. Clattered off means when the music teacher wore a new pair of chappals, so it make noise on the floor. When he hit the floor with his chappals, when he walked, it is called clattering. तो ऐसे आवाज़ करके चप्पल की जब वो दूर चला गया. She said to मृदु, come in and have some tiffin. की उसने कहा मृदु चलो कुछ टिफिन ले लो. honestly now, do you children think of such things? How do you children think of such things? अरे बच्चे तुम ऐसा ये सारी चीजें कैसे सोचते हो? Thank God your Gopu mama. Thank God your Gopu mama doesn't wear his chappals to work. तो उसने कहा शुक्र है तुम्हारे गोपू मामा ये चप्पल पहन के काम पे नहीं गए. He kept them at home. As she walked towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, she suddenly began to laugh. They all were walking towards the kitchen for their tiffin. टिफिन के लिए अपने खाने के लिए वो किचन में जा रहे थे. And then she suddenly means the Rukmani suddenly began to laugh. हंसने लगी. But he is always in such a hurry to throw off his shoes and socks and get into his chappals as soon as he comes home. तो फिर कहा उसने कि वो मीन्स गोपू मामा जैसे घर आते हैं, इज ऑलवेज इन अ हरी टू थ्रो हिज सॉक्स एंड शूज, अपने सॉक्स एंड शूज को उतार के फेंकने में हमेशा जल्दबाजी करते हैं. गेट इन टू हिज चप्पल्स एज सुन एज ही कम्स होम, घर आते ही क्या करते हैं, ही नीड दिस चप्पल्स. व्हाट्स योर मामा गोइंग टू से दिस इवनिंग व्हेन आई टेल हिम दैट आई गिव हिज चप्पल्स टू द म्यूजिक मास्टर. अब आज देखते हैं कि वो क्या करते हैं. व्हाट डज योर मामा डू व्हेन ही रिटर्न इन द इवनिंग, बिकॉज ही वुड नॉट बी हैविंग any sort of chappals. So this is the story by the Basanta Surya from the Mridu in the Madras and Gorska Tansa. So these are the questions. You read this question, you can take a snapshot of these questions and you will write down the answer. If you have any doubt about any questions, you do write that question in the group and I will explain the answer there. ये सारे क्वेश्चन एक बार आपने खुद से पूरी स्टोरी को दोबारा से खुद से पढ़ के सुन के इसको वीडियो को देख करके करने हैं. कोई डाउट है तो जो टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप हमारा है उसमें आप लिख सकते हैं. यू डू राइट द क्वेश्चन और एनीथिंग. This is the first and these are also fill in the blanks. You have to do this. Here we have some more questions. So after this we have working with language. You try all these things to yourself. These are already explained to you. जैसे if the chappal do fit, will you really not mind? ये सारे सेंटेंस हम पढ़ चुके हैं. We have already come across. So ये आपको रिवाइज भी करना है और अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना भी है. Then you have these different sentences or part of sentences. If at the beginning, इसको if clause को लगा के बताना चाहूँगा. Walk fast, you will catch the bus. So इसमें आपने करना क्या एक्चुअली, use if at the beginning of the sentence. So if you walk fast, you will catch the bus. ऐसी ये है. Don't spit on the road, you will be fined. So if you spit on the road, if you don't spit on the road नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, if you spit on the road you will be fined. So, इसी तरह से आगे है don't tire yourself now. Don't tire yourself now, you won't be able to work in the evening. If you tire yourself now, you won't be able to work in the evening. ऐसे बाकी के सेंटेंस आपने खुद से करने हैं. Then we have this second, blank the following paragraph. Fill in the blanks. इनके blanks को fill up करना है, fill in करना है. That I am wondering, today is Sunday, and I am wondering whether I should stay at home or go out. If I go out, तो ये क्या आएगा verb form. If I, जैसे मैंने बता दिया, if I go out, I may miss the lovely Sunday lunch. I may miss or I will miss the lovely Sunday lunch at home. If I stayed for lunch, I will, आगे उसका जो भी आप इसको करेंगे खुद से करना है. ये वाला बाकी तो मैंने बता दिया है. So don't go to the theater, he is. So you do this all, fill in the blanks yourself. ये सब खुद से करना है. जो नहीं आएगा आप ग्रुप में पूछेंगे and there I'll give the answer. ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज you have to do this full answer, this full exercise. Got the point? So now that's all for now. Next time we will study the poem The Rebel. So that's it.